Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to make a notice. So before writing or knowing its format, first let us understand the what is notice. So notice is an important piece of information for larger group of people. सो नोटिस क्या है? तो नोटिस एक जनसंचार का ही माध्यम है जिससे आप एक बड़ों वर्ग के लोगों तक आप अपने बात को, अपनी जानकारी को, सूचना को आदान प्रदान कर सकते हैं. सो बिफोर starting or writing any notice, you should follow this format so that your notice becomes precise and accurate. So first of all, you have to write down the name of the organization or that institute. That can be any school, any government organization or non-government body, or any kind of association or club. After that, we have to leave one line and then we have to write down the notice in all capital letters. Then we have to follow the British format of writing the date as I have mentioned below. Thereafter, we have to write down the heading or the topic, which should be very accurate or precise. Then again we have to leave one line, and thereafter we have the whole body of the notice contains very certain points which you have to follow so that your notice looks appropriate. So first point is that you should begin your notice in a proper way. For example, this is to inform all the members or the students. The second thing is that you have to mention the event or the purpose for which you are writing the notice. Means any kind of competition or any function that you have to mention. The third thing is that you have to mention the group or the people for which you are writing, whether it is any students or any kind of officials, government officials or non-government staffs. These all you have to mention. The fourth thing is that you have to mention the time, date and venue, and thereafter is your deadline. Means suppose if you are writing a notice for any competition and you have to provide the last date or the deadline till which the students will submit their names for the competition, give their names for the competition. So this is the deadline. You have to mention the deadline or the last date, which is very important if you are organizing any competition. And if there is any event or program, then you have to mention the date, time and place specifically. And at last there should be a proper ending for the notice, like for example, for further details contact the undersigned. Then there are certain key points which you should remember for making your notice look good. So first of all, the notice should be a formal and a polite language. There should not be any kind of rude languages. And second is your indirect language or passive voice should be avoided, and don't use first or the second person, for example like I and you. The notice should be short, compact and precise, and there should be a substantial difference between the date of issuing notice and the date of event. Suppose that you are writing the letter on today 11th and you are mentioning the deadline of 12th, so this is inaccurate. You have to give a substantial difference, means you have to give a gap between the date of issuing and writing the notice. The next thing is that you have to follow the word limit, that is 50 words. You cannot exceed beyond means 50 words. And after that you have to put the notice in a box and see the marking scheme that I have provided below. The format is of 2 marks, the content is of 3 marks, and the total there is a 5 marks. There is one notice which one of my student has written. I will share this with you so that you understand it well. So you are Rishabh, you have lost the manuscript of the book you are working on. See, here she has not mentioned any department or organization. Leave it. Let us see the notice first. Write a lost and found notice in not more than 50 words. So you are Rishabh means in the question only the name has been provided, and what he had lost, he had lost his manuscript of the book. What is a manuscript? Manuscript is a document or any kind of part of book, and what she has been doing in it, she has been working on, means she has been working on that manuscript which is lost. We have to write a notice not more than 50 words. So as I have taught you that first of all we write the notice in capital letters. See here, there is one mistake in her letter. She has done the notice in all small letters, written all the small letters. So this is inappropriate way. You have to write down the notice in all capital letters. The second thing, she has left a gap. It is good. Then after he has written the date, that is 5 February. She has not mentioned that. She has copied it from an example, I think. Then the heading is appropriate, lost and found. Let's read down the notice. I have lost the manuscript of a novel entitled My Adventure in Ladakh. So I have lost the manuscript. She has mentioned the name of the manuscript, that is My Adventure in Ladakh, enclosed in a black ring blender. And she is also given its structure, means how it was, or inside which it was enclosed. It was enclosed in a black ring blender. So the first line is almost okay. The finder may return the same to Jai Mathur or the undersigned at Toy Bahadur Shah Zafar Mar during 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. She has also mentioned that the finder, means whoever finds this her or his magazine, she must return it to the undersigned, or the person name is given over here, Jai Mathur, and the address, venue and the time, both she has mentioned. If you have any information about it, you may call me on my mobile number. This much, Rishabh Malhotra. And she has ended the notice in a proper way. So there are certain grammatical mistakes, like somewhere there are punctuation marks are left. So I would provide her 4 out of 5.